Create a Snapchat my eyes only on Android and iPhone. Now that I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on this record button. When you leave it, and then you can uh, click on the save button in the bottom left corner. When you click on this, then there is option of save to memories. Then you can save the memories, and after that you have to click on the cut button in the top left corner. And what you have to do is you have to click on the memories in the top in the left button of the record button. So when you click on this, then you come to the memories, and then here you can click on the got it, and here this is the my snaps. So what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the hide a snap my eyes only. You have to click on the and what you have to do is you have to click on the quick setup, and then you can fill in the password how, and then you have to confirm the password, and after that you have to confirm uh, e- to understand the policy, and after that you have to click on the continue, and then what you have to do you have to click on the finish. And when you again go to the memories, so what you have to click on this phone like button, and then you have to go to the my eyes only, and then you have to fill in the password, and then you can see the your snap here. So that's it, that how you can save to my eyes only. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.